Hey, it's Laundry Matt. If you'd like to check out what Curbside 2026 was all about, you'll want to go ahead and check out this video. We're working really hard to get the speeches, the speakers, and all that content into your hands. So make sure to click like and subscribe. That way you can be alerted for when those videos are available to watch.
We're here in Long Beach at the Curbside Conference. We love it so far. It's our first time coming to the conference. You know, everyone's engaged, from the attendees to the vendors. The presenters are all great, lots of knowledge being dropped.
My first time at the Curbside event, and I am quite impressed. The turnout has been amazing, the participation has been amazing, the information has been amazing, and I would highly recommend anyone in the laundry industry to make it out to this event.
This is the absolute hands down best conference I have ever attended, and I believe Kelly will concur.
I agree. The speakers were great, the events were great,
The food was
networking,
amazing.
the food. So if you have the chance, come to the Curbside Conference.
One of the reasons I came to Curbside was to more so learn about the logistics of owning and we're purchasing a laundromat and scaling it, and I'm walking away with a whole lot more.
So if you're going to come to this conference, obviously owner-operators, there's a wealth of knowledge here. That's great for you guys to come here. Also, if you're looking at getting into the laundromat business or commercial business, pick up, drop off, wash, dry, fold, again, you're going to be around experts who want to help. And I think that's the biggest thing. This group of people are passionate and they're knowledgeable and they want to help individuals. So if either you're an owner-operator struggling, if you're successful, if you're just starting out, that's who needs to be here, as long as you have that passion.
I'm walking away with so many phone numbers and contacts, and that makes this entire conference worth it, just the contacts alone.
I recommend anybody that's serious about growing their business to come to future events.
This is an evergreen sort of a conference. You need to be here to learn what is valuable for the industry and how to use that in your business.
The next Curbside Conference, we will 100% be there. This was great. We love it. There's so many people here. You know, for our business, it's great to even see our existing customers. I would 100% come back.
Trade, and we're looking forward to being back in 2 years when they have the conference again here in Long Beach, California.
I will definitely be back. I hope to see everyone here as well.